Before you download FitOn, stop right now, because most people assume all fitness apps are the same. The surprising truth is that FitOn is more than just workouts. It's a full fitness experience designed for all levels, and using it the wrong way can limit your results. FitOn is a free fitness app offering guided workouts led by celebrity trainers, covering everything from HIIT and strength training to yoga and stretching. You won't believe what happens next when users discover they can schedule workouts, track progress, and even compete with friends, all without paying a dime for the basic version. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think free means limited. FitOn's free version actually includes hundreds of workouts and meal planning tools. The premium plan unlocks features like personalized meal plans, advanced analytics, and offline workouts, which can be helpful if you want a fully customized routine. Getting started is simple. Sign up, select your fitness goals, and the app recommends a program. You can filter workouts by time, difficulty, and type, making it easy to fit exercise into any schedule. The app also integrates with Apple Health and Google Fit to track calories and steps automatically. The downside is that FitOn doesn't offer real-time coaching or form correction. If you're new to exercise, you need to pay attention to posture to avoid injury. Also, advanced analytics and meal plans require the premium subscription. The surprising truth about FitOn is that consistency matters more than intensity. Even short, daily workouts can dramatically improve fitness, and the social features keep you motivated without overwhelming you. If this honest review helped you decide whether FitOn is right for you, subscribe for more fitness app insights that save you time and frustration.